Welcome back to Challenge Me. My name's Ryan, and today I'm bringing you the top 5 things you have to know before you sign up to the gym on your way to your weight loss journey and your New Year's resolutions.
Are you still looking at me?
I want you guys to set a goal, okay? This is for the number one thing, okay? If you guys want to have the most weight loss, set a goal 3 months from now, 6 months from now, even a whole year from now. Set a goal, okay? And try your hardest to reach that goal, okay? I don't care if it's 10 pounds. I don't care if it's 20 pounds. If you got 200 pounds to lose, set a goal, and that is always something that you can look forward to once you complete your journey. Everybody always thinks that once you start working out, you have to have abs, or you got to get real big, or, there's just different point of views of what fitness really is. I want you to know that fitness isn't just abs. Fitness could be gaining a little bit of muscle, or it makes it a little bit easier to walk. Those are goals, and those are things that you can reach, and you don't necessarily have to be an extreme like bodybuilder trying to work out for fitness shows and other things like that. So set a goal, and fitness isn't just abs. All right, we're going to take this word. It's called diet, okay? We're going to take that, we're going to ball that up, and we're going to throw that one away, okay? Diet shouldn't be in your vocabulary when it comes to weight loss. What should be in your vocabulary is changing the way that you're thinking, okay? You're changing your lifestyle. Once you go on this fitness journey and you're starting to see your results, change everything that you think of as far as diet, because it's not a diet, because now it is a way of life. And if you want to continue to have those results and continue on that path of fitness, you have to maintain a healthy lifestyle. All right, and my favorite is proteins and pre-workouts. All right, when you're first starting to work out, you're starting to feel a little stronger, getting a little bit bigger if that's what you want. You don't necessarily need to take in protein shakes. And for beginners, newbies, I wouldn't even recommend protein shakes, pre-workout. I would eliminate all of that. So just because you might see it on other people's YouTube channels and that's what they're doing, that's something that you do not have to do. So I will steer clear from that at least for 6 months. Last but not least, ask questions, okay? If you see somebody in the gym doing an exercise that you're not familiar with, whether it's a bicep curl or they're doing squats, and you just need help with the basic body mechanics, ask. The only questions that are dumb questions are the ones that you don't ask. We learned that in school. So if you ever have any concerns or any questions, if you cannot find an answer, message me or leave it in the comment section, and I'll help you guys out as best as I can. And a little bit of extra knowledge for you. Before you go into the gym every day, always have a plan of attack, okay? If you're going to go in and do cardio, do cardio. If you're going to go in and do pushing exercises, have those push exercises in your mind already, different sets, different groups. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment, hit that like button. It really helps me out. Subscribe so you don't miss another one. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Are you still looking at me?